Hi, my name is Bill Gabbard. I'm with Keller Williams Associate Partners. I'm team leader of the Bill Gabbard Group. I really just like the thrill of finding a house that made me excited. I've been in real estate for 19 years. Really, from the time I started till today, I still have a lot of people following me, calling me, and asking questions, so I just feel like this is what I was meant to do. To me, selling real estate is really just making sure that people get what they're looking for. The excitement when they walk into the house and you know they found the perfect house. You don't really sell a house. You just put the paperwork to help them get the house. Well, the best experience I've ever had of selling real estate, truthfully, is when you have the same client call you 4 or 5 times just because they feel like they can trust you. It just seems like it's a great experience. They just are happy to see you and they can't wait to do business with you. So to me, that's just the best experience. What sets me apart, I just try to be me. I try to make sure I give the clients the best service they can have. And I try to make sure the house they get is what fits their needs. I don't just try to sell them a house. I try to make it what they need. I work in the Westchester, Hamilton, Fairfield, Liberty Township, Monroe, just a Southwest Ohio area. They could reach me at 513-616-3835 or bill@billgabbardgroup.com.